Hello guys, welcome to Everyday Budgeting. Hope you all doing well. Nowadays, saving money is often on everyone's to-do list, but it can sometimes feel like a discouraging task. Many people think that saving requires making drastic changes and cutting out the things they enjoy. But here's the good news. It's possible to save money without sacrificing the things you love. In this video, we'll be sharing practical strategies that help you reduce spending without feeling deprived. From small adjustments to simple lifestyle tweaks, these tips will make a big impact on your savings while still allowing you to live comfortably. First of all, automate your bills. The first step to saving money effortlessly is to automate your bills. One of the easiest ways to avoid overspending and late fees is by setting up automatic payments for your regular expenses. Most banks offer online tools or apps that make this process simple. Whether it's your rent, mortgage, utilities, or subscriptions, automating your payments ensures they're paid on time, every time. The key here is consistency. Automating payments prevents the risk of missing a due date and getting hit with late fees. In addition, automatic payments can help you track your spending better. Once the bills are automated, you can focus on other aspects of your finances, knowing that your monthly obligations are already taken care of. This is one of the simplest strategies to start saving more without feeling like you have to constantly keep track of every payment. Second, you should eliminate unused subscriptions. Subscriptions are an easy way to waste money if you're not keeping track. It's easy to sign up for services like streaming platforms, gym memberships, or subscription boxes, but sometimes we forget about them or don't use them enough to justify the cost. Take a look at your subscriptions. Do you really use all of them? If not, it's time to cancel the ones that aren't adding value to your life. Third, you can find the best times to eat out. We all love eating out, but dining at restaurants every day can quickly eat into your budget. The good news is that you can still enjoy meals out without overspending. One way to save on dining out is by being strategic about when you eat out. Many restaurants offer special discounts, deals, or happy hour pricing during certain times of the day. Take advantage of these promotions to enjoy your favorite meals for less. You can also take advantage from free or low-cost entertainment. Entertainment is another category where it's easy to overspend. From movie tickets to concerts and events, the costs can quickly add up. But you don't always have to pay for entertainment to have fun. Look for free or low-cost alternatives that still provide the enjoyment you seek. For solo entertainment, you can enjoy a good book from your local library, watch free videos on platforms like YouTube, or stream free movies and documentaries online. There are so many ways to have fun without spending a lot, and many of them will also allow you to connect with your community and the world around you. You can lower your temperature to save on energy bills. One of the easiest ways to save money without changing your lifestyle is by adjusting your home's temperature. It may not seem like much, but setting your thermostat just 1 degree lower in the winter or higher in the summer can lead to substantial savings over the course of a year. By making a conscious effort to drive less, you can significantly reduce your transportation costs, leaving you with more money in your pocket for other priorities. Final point is plan your grocery shopping. One of the easiest places to overspend is at the grocery store. It's easy to pick up items you don't need when you're not prepared, and those small impulse purchases can add up. The solution is simple. Make a grocery list before you head to the store and stick to it. Take a moment each week to plan your meals and write down the ingredients you'll need. This helps you avoid buying items that aren't necessary. If you're someone who likes to buy in bulk, check if stores offer discounts for buying larger quantities of items you use frequently. Additionally, don't go shopping when you're hungry. It's a classic trap that leads to buying more than you need. By planning ahead, you can make your shopping trips more efficient and prevent overspending. Here's a bonus tip that you can track your spending. Understanding where your money is going each month can help you identify areas where you can cut back. Use apps or a budgeting system to track your expenses and see where you might be able to save. This doesn't mean you need to track every single penny, But by reviewing your spending habits regularly, you can spot patterns and make informed decisions about where to allocate your money. Maybe you find that you're spending more on dining out or buying clothes than you realized. Once you identify these areas, you can make more mindful choices moving forward. By implementing just a few of these simple strategies, you'll be able to save money without sacrificing the quality of life you enjoy. It's all about finding a balance that works for you. Start by automating your bills, cutting out unnecessary subscriptions, and finding low-cost entertainment options. With a little bit of planning and a few small adjustments, you can build healthy savings habits that won't leave you feeling deprived. Let us know in the comments what money-saving strategies you plan to try, or share your own tips for saving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more budget-friendly ideas and tips.